Hello guys, welcome to this new series or tutorials. So in this series, I'm going to discuss about identifiers. In the previous discussion, we have discussed about this declaring a many variables. And in today's video guys, tuturuan ko kayo about identifiers of Java. So alam nyo, yung identifiers pala is all Java variables must be identified with unique names. So yan, tatandaan natin yan guys, na yung identifiers natin or yung variables, which is yung identifiers nga, is magkakaroon siya ng unique names. Paano yun? These unique names are called identifiers. Yung names niyan, yung mga identifiers na yan. Identifiers can be short names like X and Y, or more descriptive names like age, sum, total volume, and it is recommended to use descriptive names in order to create understandable and maintainable code. This is good. So we have minutes per hour. And then, this is okay but not so easy to understand what im actually is. So, di natin alam kung ano yung m, which is 60 minutes pala yun, kasi letter m lang nakalagay. So, ito yung pinaka the best or yung good na ginagamit. So, may role pala yung variable natin. So, kailangan yung variable pag yung ito po yung general rule for naming variables are names can be contains letters, digits, underscore, and dollar signs. Names must begin with a letter. Tatandaan nyo guys na di siya nagsisimula sa digit. Names should start with a lowercase and it cannot contain white space. So, in this case dito, wala siyang nagsisimula siya sa sa lowercase, at saka yung kasunod niya is capital P. So, at saka wala siyang space. Name can also begin with dollar and underscore, but we will not use it in this tutorial. So, hindi natin gagamitin dito. Names are case sensitive. For example, my var and my var are different variables. Reserved words like Java keywords such as int or boolean cannot be used as names. So, that's all for this video. Sana tatandaan natin yung mga naming variables, rules. So, pwede nyo i-take note ito sa inyong paper or in a spreadsheet of you have, or to take a screenshot of this. So, ito yung tatandaan na sa pag-name natin ng mga variables. See you on the next video guys. I hope this video is helpful to you. Leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube. See you on the next video guys.